Hi, this is our project YASU. We aim at modernizing the current healthcare system. Before I start telling about the project, I would like to share a real life situation of a lady named Eliza. She is a single mother and she has multiple sclerosis. She is getting treatment from age of 16. However, one day she leaves her hometown for some work and unfortunately gets into an accident. Now, because she is in some other town with unknown environment, she is in risk of getting incorrect treatment because of lack of information. As in, the physicians aren't aware of her current situation, medical conditions, medicines, many more things. Hence, our project comes here to fulfill this gap by providing persons medical history, medication, medical appointments, and many other stuff. So, this will be shown in the next user flow file.
This is user flow of our website. First of all, the user will log in, which doesn't have an ID, will log in through the portal, fill their details, and will be directed to the dashboard. In dashboard, we have medical history panel, medical appointment, medications, and card history. The user which already have an ID can also log in directly to the and will be directed to the dashboard. However, whenever a third person tries to see the medical details by scanning QR code, for example, a doctor or family member will be directed to dashboard and dashboard will contain these things. In medical history, we will have all these contents. Then medical appointment will contain the previous appointments and the upcoming ones. Medications will contain all the list of medication the person has been on, and card history will contain the history of card wherever it has been used before. Thank you.
Then he'll ask to fill the data. He can just fill his age and everything here. Then his profile will be loaded. Here he can submit his doctor name, what doctor do and which date he took the appointment. His data will be here. He can delete from here also. Similarly, he can add the medicine and so he can enter. This thing will be there and he can also delete. Only the user who are logged in can only use edit this info. Others cannot edit this info, and then he can log out too from here. This problem can be solved by giving each patient their own card. So the doctor can just scan their patient's card and they will get their own URL. So they can copy this and paste this in Google Chrome and they will lead to their page where doctor can see the medical info like name, the allergies that patient have, their disease like sugar and other things, their whole medical history is here, their appointments in the month, their current medication what they are taking.